Hello! Join us on an exciting adventure through the world of aviation, where we'll explore various aircraft types and share amazing stories. Enjoy the ride! Seaplane. A seaplane is an aircraft designed to take off and land on water. Fun facts. The first seaplane was built in 1910 by Frenchman Henry Faber, and the largest seaplane in the world is the Chinese-made AG 600, which can land on both water and land. Biplane. A biplane is an aircraft with two sets of wings, one above the other. Fun facts. The Wright brothers' first successful powered flight in 1903 was on a biplane, and the famous Red Baron flew a red-painted Fokker Doctor I triplane during World War I. UAV. A UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, is an aircraft operated without a human pilot. Fun facts. The world's largest UAV is the Global Hawk, which has a wingspan of over 130 feet, and drones are increasingly being used for tasks such as delivery, aerial photography, and even search and rescue missions. Attack helicopter. An attack helicopter is a military helicopter designed to provide direct fire support for ground troops. Fun facts. The A-64 Apache is one of the most well-known attack helicopters, capable of reaching up to 227 miles per hour. Fighter jet. A fighter jet is a military aircraft designed for air-to-air combat. Fun facts. The fastest fighter jet in the world is the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, which can travel over 2,000 miles per hour. The F-22 Raptor is considered one of the most advanced fighter jets. Before we move on, please subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Your support is greatly appreciated. Light aircraft. A light aircraft is a small plane designed for personal or recreational use. Fun facts. The Piper J3 Cub is one of the most popular light aircraft ever made, and it was used for both military and civilian purposes during World War II. The Cessna 172 is another popular light aircraft. Monoplane. A monoplane is an aircraft with a single set of wings. Fun facts. The first successful monoplane flight was made by Frenchman Louis Blériot in 1909, and the Boeing 737 is one of the most well-known commercial monoplanes, with over 10,000 produced since 1967. Private jet. A private jet is an aircraft designed for use by a single individual or group. Fun facts. The Gulfstream G650 is one of the most luxurious and expensive private jets, with a price tag of over $70 million. Private jets can also have amenities such as full kitchens. Passenger airliner. A passenger airliner is an aircraft designed for transporting large numbers of passengers over long distances. Fun facts. The Airbus A380 is currently the largest passenger airliner in the world, capable of carrying up to 853 passengers. Cargo aircraft. A cargo aircraft is designed for transporting goods rather than passengers. Fun facts. The Antonov An-225 Mariah is the largest cargo aircraft in the world, with a wingspan of over 280 feet. Cargo planes can also be used for humanitarian purposes. Helicopter. A helicopter is an aircraft capable of hovering in place, vertical takeoff, and landing. Fun facts. The Bell 1 Huey was one of the most iconic helicopters ever made and used extensively during the Vietnam War. Helicopters are also used for various civilian purposes. Utility helicopter. A utility helicopter is a type of helicopter that is designed for a wide range of purposes, such as transport, search and rescue, and firefighting. Fun facts. The Sikorsky U-60 Black Hawk is one of the most well-known utility helicopters. It is time for a quiz now. Can you identify this vehicle? Fantastic. It's seaplane. Can you identify this vehicle? It's backlane. Can you identify this vehicle? Excellent. It's UAV. Can you identify this vehicle? Wonderful. It's a TAC helicopter. Can you identify this vehicle? Superb. It's fighter jet. Can you identify this vehicle? Can you identify this vehicle? Outstanding. It's monoplane. Can you identify this vehicle? 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 Perfect. It's a helicopter. Can you identify this vehicle? Brilliant. It's utility helicopter. Special bonus. Yellow private jet. Blue biplane. Blue attack helicopter. Blue UAV. Thanks for watching 12 amazing aircraft. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Keep looking up at the sky and dreaming big. See you in the next video.